Hey everyone, I'm Tanya and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you a DIY to make hair setting spray easily at home. This hair setting spray can be used to tame your baby hair and to manage your frizzy and unruly hair. So today I'm making two hair setting sprays, one with the fragrance and the other is without fragrance. And it's up to you, you can make whichever you want to. And the ingredients which you're gonna need to make both these setting sprays are almost similar, only one ingredient is different. And you will definitely find all the ingredients in your kitchen. So the first ingredient which you're gonna need is half glass of water for each spray. Next you're gonna need 2 tablespoons sugar for each spray. And if you want to add some fragrance into your hairspray, then you're gonna need green tea, or you can even take some essential oils like lavender or tea tree essential oil. And lastly, to store it, you're gonna need a spray bottle. Now to prepare this hairspray, you firstly have to take a pan and heat some water. I've added 1 glass of water, that is half glass for each spray. And once your water is warm, add 4 tablespoons sugar, that is 2 tablespoons for each hairspray. And once the sugar is dissolved, turn off the gas flame and divide the water or hairspray into 2 equal parts. One for would be without fragrance and the other one would be with fragrance. And to make the hairspray without fragrance, you just need to transfer this mixture into the spray bottle. And that's it, your hair setting spray without fragrance is ready. And to make the fragrance spray, I'm going to dip the green tea pouch into it and let it sit there for a few minutes. And once the water cools down, I'm going to remove this pouch and transfer it into the empty spray bottle. And that's it, your second hairspray with fragrance is ready. And before you use this hairspray, make sure that you shake the bottle well. And these hairspray is chemical free and consist of sugar, so you need to store them into fridge, and you can store them for up to 15 to 20 days. And if in case you are worrying about spraying sugar on your hair, then let me tell you, sugar is good for your hair and also it won't welcome any bugs or insects on your hair. And these hairspray will not brittle up your hair like a normal hairspray does, because it does not consist of any chemical or alcohol. So you just need to spray it on your unmanageable and unruly hair or even on your baby hair, and then comb your hair so that it settles down. And since these hairspray does not consist of any chemical or harmful ingredients, you can skip the shampoo next day and you can use them frequently. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.